Oh, what is going on here? You're like dying or something.
Hi guys, welcome to Drag Nipples. My name is Bran Ramsey and this is Leilando Calrissian.
Hi.
Today we're going to do Elphaba Realness.
Elphaba Realness.
On my nipples.
My name's actually Leland Mitchell.
Oh.
So that's a little fact for everyone.
Leland Mitchell.
Leland Mitchell.
Notice how that's...
David Mitchell.
That's such a white name.
It's a white name and she's half yellow. Do you want to tell everyone where we met? ChristianMingles.com.
Well, first of all, we're using a dollar store acrylic paint all over my body.
It's probably, what is it made in China?
All over my heart and lung area.
Hold on, is it made in China?
Well, it's not made in North America.
So the first step is you go to the store and you buy body paint. You can buy body paint from absolutely anywhere.
I didn't know it was so taboo to use wall paint on your body. For the record, this is all purpose. Have you ever painted nipples before?
I painted a nipple before when I turned a guy into Predator. It was me with 6 Crayola markers dotting his entire body.
How big are her eyes?
I'm trying to give it like a full look. Oh god.
You're the artist, I'm not gonna fight you.
I know.
My body is your canvas.
I'm trying to make it look like the tornado. See, you can see it's a representation.
Yes.
Of
not just the
Dorothy
witch. Yeah.
And her struggles as a youth.
You're right. You're blowing out my candle!
Did I? No, shut up! There's still one lit.
Drag Nipples is about abusing the person you're drawing on.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is now I'm gonna start making like eyes, okay?
Mm-hmm.
This is a good look for when you're meeting family for like a Thanksgiving October dinner.
Yes,
definitely. Absolutely.
What is this not a good look for?
This is not a good look for the beach.
Not a good look.
Yeah, right?
No.
Not a good look for the beach.
We don't know if this is UVA or B protective, but chances are you're gonna have a fucked up tan.
Okay, so obviously what I've done is I've just kind of added some pink just to kind of give her a little bit of a hoey look, because I feel like she's a hoey girl, right?
Yeah, absolutely. She looks wicked.
She's gonna be awesome. She's gonna look scary.
See what I did there?
Oh! Oh, because she's... Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of give the chest a little bit more dimension.
I'm gonna put a spell on you.
I can't remember what step we're at. Like step 6?
You know what? Fuck the steps. Just copy what you see, and if you don't like it, shut your mouth. There comes a point in every young man's life where you start developing a father body. I'm pregnant with ideas.
So right now we're blending. You're blending, you're blending, blending, you're blending, blending, you're blending, blending, you're blending, blending, you're blending.
I'm also cracking.
It's not easy being green. So this is this really awesome product that I found out that Makeup Forever does. It is like a crayon, but it's a shadow. And I have been living for it, and it's pearlized.
This is some good shading. There's a lot of color. I don't know if you can see, there will be a close-up and a test at the end. But there is some serious shading going on. Oh. Makeup is fun! When was the first time you did drag?
I joined the Rocky Horror Picture Show cast when I was 15.
15.
And I used to play Brad Majors. But then they were like, oh bitch, you're gonna play Columbia, who's like the tap dancing annoying one, who I lived for. I was like, oh my god, this like part is so much fun, and I had so much fun with it, and that was definitely my first time doing drag. So, I taught a girl yesterday this. Always use like a piece of tissue paper or a piece of cardstock whenever you're dealing with fallout. Your life will literally be so much easier. Hairspray will actually also set some makeup too.
Ah, I know this.
Yeah, that's like a really quick, like if you don't have like a setting powder or anything and you just need like a quick, then you do that. Okay, now this is an amazing product that I just found. Ruby's, like the main Halloween costume company, makes a glitter hairspray that works amazing on body. Found this out and you can get it for like $2, $3 at your like local costume store. It's the best thing.
Wait, you're gonna spray my body with glitter?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's magical. Okay, yay! And I feel confident with my look.
I feel so confident. Do you want to recap? Because you didn't really do a good job of explaining as you went.
What?
Just do a real quick recap.
Okay, start with your base, obviously. If it's foundation, your foundation. If you're using paint like an idiot, maybe sometimes you're using paint, that's fine. Then what you're gonna do, you're obviously gonna choose where your eye placement will be going. I started with white and then started outlining with black. Start working on the creases and figure out where you need to paint your eyebrows. Eyebrows are your best friends. Remember, they're twins, not sisters. Fuck that. Twins. They need to be exact. Mine probably aren't. After that, obviously start blending, make sure to give your lots of eyebrows, lots of dimension, work on the crease, give it a little shadow, obviously some dimension, pretend like it's a real eye. And I brought the pink around to obviously frame the eyes a little bit more. I even gave them a little hint of a reflection.
Do you want to give any advice, some real advice, to like young drag queens out there?
Just be nice, be nice. Queens, audience, everyone, be nice to each other. It's the way the world goes around. Be nice. If you're not nice, the Mexican ladies at Starbucks will spit in your drink.